Did you know that according to the National Association of Realtors, the vast majority of buyers start their home search online? And yet, many homes are still being marketed like it's 2005. Hi, I'm Albina Rippy with the Council Real Estate Group, where we do things quite differently. We specialize in Westlake, Cuernavaca, and Eanes ISD, and we understand that today's buyer is sophisticated, informed, and highly digital. That means your home needs more than just an open house. It needs a powerful online presence. Because exposure is everything. We position your home in front of the right buyers using advanced digital marketing, strategic social media campaigns, and targeted advertising that reaches people actively searching for homes like yours. And not just anyone, the right buyers. We also retarget those who have already shown interest in similar homes, keeping your property top of mind and increasing the likelihood of stronger offers. But marketing is only one part of the equation. We combine that with intentional design, expert pricing strategy, and high-level negotiation to ensure you are not just selling your home, but maximizing its value. Because in today's market, it's not just about getting your home sold, it's about getting your home sold right. You deserve a strategy that reflects the value of your home and the lifestyle that it represents. If you're thinking about selling your home or you're simply curious about the value of your home, please reach out to us. We would love to show you what's possible when your home is marketed with intention, precision, and expertise. At the Council Real Estate Group, we're here to help you to step into the next chapter of your life with confidence and strategy.